All right, guys, what's going on? So we are going to restore this 1996 Nissan 240SX. How do you like this car? We have Hector, the mechanic number 1. We have Kiro, the mechanic number 2. Kiro, what are you doing? So here's a walk around of the car and the inside. As you can see, Kiro, no! All right, Kiro, get out of there.
What is it?
That is not your house, Kiro. All right, guys, the very first step is to actually install the hood. We already got these parts from Japón, no? We got them from Japan, and they're really hard. It's really hard to find these parts here in the United States. It's hard, or it's either expensive. Nissan 240SX. All right, mechanic Fernando. So this is the old one. One cool story is that my sister crashed it. She's right there. Alright, guys, so in order to take out the trunk, we need to disconnect these wires over here. And we already have the replacement wires, so just a matter of sneaking your hand in there. Step number 1 is done. This thing is what, 30 years old? And there's a lot of memories, as you can see there. Sonia, what do you have to say about removing this piece?
You're glad it's not the horse? It's not the horse.
The what?
The horse.
What horse?
The horse that's on the other side.
Guys, so as you can see, it already looks way better with that shade. But we are gonna wrap it. Kari, what color do you want to wrap it? Pink. All right, we're gonna do it pink.
Pink and gray.
But there's one problem. We're gonna have to wire it together because Fernando ripped the wires off. Kiro, you have to do this. Huesos, can you wire this? But it already looks way better than the other one, guys. And over here, Team Fender. How are we doing, Team Fender?
Not good.
What's going on?
We broke it.
We broke it.
We broke the light.
No, it's just hanging out.
No, we broke it.
It's like its eye, you know?
No, we broke it.
When an eye
We
pops
broke
out.
it.
When an eye pops out of your socket,
No, we broke it.
this is gonna be... Kari could have backwards lights, so it's gonna shoot back. So she can see through to the back. Alright, guys, this is a moment of truth. If the door opens, we did it right. But we... Did it close? Did it close?
No, ¿sabes qué?
El de ese está muy sumido.
Yes.
Esto está sumido para allá, ¿verdad? Con el choque que le
Alright,
diste,
guys.
no está derecho.
We just figured out that 20 years ago my sister crashed. And this is actually pushed forward. As you can see, it doesn't align here. Esto tienes que estar alineado. So this has to go here. So we're gonna have to try to fix that. So what would you explain the process to get this fender out for someone who doesn't really know how to?
Backaches.
Huh?
Backaches.
Backaches? What about you, Hector?
Need small
How was it? You need some. There's another milestone. We got the back bumper out. Almost. We just need to unwire it. And we did it, guys. So the back bumper is out. Alright, guys. One of our mechanic dogs is eating the car. Jesus, you're not supposed to be eating the car. And over here, how are you guys doing with the fender, Sonia? Sonia, how's it going over here?
Bad.
It's going bad. Why?
Because we broke it.
Is it harder to put it in or to take it out?
Both.
Huh?
Both.
Why both?
Because this part was bent, so we had to unbend it.
So this is actually a low budget rebuild, and we're gonna try to unbend the back bumper by pulling it, because that's the only way we could align the actual trunk to close. So wish us luck, guys. Kiro, stop. Alright, as we can see, the fender is ready. How was it, Hector?
Annoying.
So pulling it by hand did not work, so we're gonna try to attempt this. Alright. Slowly, slowly. Despacito. Dale. Hopefully it unbends it. Despacito. Alright, we got 4-wheel drive. Dale, 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 dale. Dale. No, esto no se va a enderezar, Fernando. Dale. Dale, dale, dale. No, ya. Párale. Ya no.
Ya, a ver, ya, ya.
Alright, dale. Dale, dale. Dale. Ya se rompió el hilo. This is top engineering. Low budget car repair. We're gonna try to push it out. All right. It's actually working. ¿Sí está sirviendo?
A ver, ciérrale. No le van a cerrar, pues si no abre.
All right, guys, to the border we go.
Más. No le van a cerrar, porque si
No
abre,
cierra, no cierra. No cierra. All right, guys.
Espérale de más abajo.
What we want to do is keep
Ándale.
pushing that so it aligns with the
Ponte algo
hook
para que no
there.
te raspes.
A ver,
Alright.
dale de acá para que también salga este de acá.
All right, keep pushing. Dale, dale.
Espérame. Estírate.
It looks like he. Go, 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 go. It's going out. A ver, déjale cierro, déjale. No, todavía no. Keep pushing.
De aquí no, así para que se alce.
El primero, un lado y luego el otro.
Ponte algo para que no te vas a lastimar. Ponte la chancla.
Alright, can you hold it and I'll help him.
Ok, jálale.
De acá abajo, ¿verdad?
Sí. Pero jalen de ahí donde están. Jálale tú también de aquí, mira. Como, una, dos, tres, vamos. Una, dos, tres, vamos. Una, dos, tres. Ok.
Estamos ladeando.
Ahora vas a ir de este lado.
A ver, espérate.
Oh, shit. Ya está. Ya entró aquí, ¿no? No, pegó acá, ¿no? No, aquí. ¿Afuera o acá? No, para aquí.
A ver, salte y le cerramos.
No, espérate, otro poquito más, pero ahora vas a hacer el otro lado.
De acá no, pues ¿cómo le hacemos? Dale con tus rodillas.
Eso es lo que voy a hacer. Nomás también, ayúdame a jalar.
Alright guys, moment of truth. So after all of that, we managed to make the lid close. It does not open no more. But we just have to see if it unlocks. Alright, close it. Ya ves? But now we just have to flush the corners somehow. But that's another work for another day. Overall, it was pretty successful, so this closes. Bueno. Dale. We flushed the
¿La tenías cerrando
corners.
cuando la estabas cerrando?
¿Eh?
¿La tenías cerrada cuando
As you can
estabas
see,
cerrando?
there's no longer a big gap there.
No. No, no.
Another thing we did, we replaced one of the mirrors and one of the fenders. So you can see here, it's already polished. And we replaced this mirror. Was it this mirror? Yeah, it was this one. You can see it looks pretty good. But the trunk was the most difficult part. You can see we're still trying to align it. And that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Any words, Hector?
Just take it to a mechanic.
Don't trust us, guys. We are not certified anything.